Hi everyone, and welcome to our 2018 Garden Trends video series, where we take a deeper look into the 7 garden trends detailed in our Garden Trends report. If you haven't checked that out, there is a link below in the description. And make sure you check out our previous videos in this series as well. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the imperfect gardening trend. In a world of connectivity, we always seem to be busy. People give attention to the things that are in their face or on their phone, while forgetting about the other things around them. Sometimes it's worth letting something go to become a little imperfect, especially in the garden. It's no longer the trend to keep the yard as tidy as possible. Now is the time to incorporate the ancient Japanese practice of wabi-sabi. Wabi-sabi appreciates the imperfections in life and the ability to age gracefully. When applied to the garden, the practice helps you relax and enjoy the way nature works. Why feel the need to have the perfect lawn? Having splashes of imperfection brings the garden from perfectly done to perfectly undone. Bringing in hints of metal, wood, and stone rather than plastic will help keep the design looking beautiful even as it weathers naturally with the seasons. Ditch traditional grass and allow clover to grow. A chemical-free lawn supports pollinators, local watersheds, and even your own family's health too. Don't be afraid to grow a few plants that bugs love as well. The ones that you would normally throw out as soon as they have bites. These plants are typically native, easy to grow, and provide food for beneficial insects. Allow your plants to become overgrown to become self-sufficient. This will take you one step closer to having a social network of plants, which need very little maintenance. Allowing your yard to have a little bit of imperfection will provide you with a freeing space to get out of your head, off your phone, and improve your mental wellness. Keep this in mind the next time you're focused on cleaning up every last weed. And as always, for more information about our trends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see what else we have to offer at gardenmediagroup.com.